Dear friends, welcome to my video on what is Neuro Linguistic Programming and how does it work. Kindly click on the CC button for subtitles. The basics. What the heck is NLP? Neuro Linguistic Programming sounds fancy, doesn't it? But when we break it down, it's quite simple. Neuro refers to the brain and our neurological processes. It's about how we think. Linguistic is all about language, how we communicate with others and even ourselves. Programming refers to our behavior patterns and habits, basically how we go about our lives. Put it all together and NLP is about understanding how we think, communicate, and behave. Why? So that we can make positive changes in our lives. Origin story. Where did NLP come from? In the groovy 1970s, two guys named Richard Bandler and John Grinder were chilling at the University of California, Santa Cruz. They were curious about why some therapists were more effective than others. They began studying these superstar therapists and noticed patterns in their methods. From their observations, they developed a model for interpersonal communication and personal development, NLP. They believed that by understanding and copying these patterns, anyone could become more effective in their lives. The mechanics. How does NLP work? NLP works on the premise that our thoughts, language, and behaviors are all intertwined. By understanding these relationships, we can change one element, like the way we talk to ourselves, and impact the others, like our behaviors and feelings. Let's dive into a few core principles of NLP. The map is not the territory. This fancy phrase simply means that the way we perceive the world isn't the world itself. Think of it as a map of a city. It's a representation, not the actual streets and buildings. Our perceptions, beliefs, and thoughts are our maps, and they shape our reality. There's no failure, only feedback. Ever made a mistake and beat yourself up about it? In the world of NLP, mistakes are just feedback. It's all about adjusting and moving forward. Every behavior has a positive intention, even those bad habits we want to kick to the curb. Yup, this principle means that at some point, our behaviors served a purpose. By understanding that purpose, we can find healthier ways to meet that same need. The techniques. NLP in action. NLP offers a smorgasbord of techniques to help you make positive changes. Here's a taste of what's on offer. Anchoring. Ever smelled a scent and been transported back to a memory? That's an anchor. NLP uses this idea to link positive feelings to certain stimuli. For instance, squeezing your thumb and forefinger together every time you feel relaxed. Over time, just doing that action can help bring about feelings of relaxation. Reframing. This is all about changing how we perceive a situation. For example, seeing a challenge not as a problem, but as an opportunity for growth. Visual, kinesthetic dissociation, VKD, a technique for helping with negative memories. It involves watching the memory as if it's a movie, then altering it, like changing it to black and white or adding a silly soundtrack. The idea is that by changing how you see the memory, you change how you feel about it. Skeptics and believers. Does NLP really work? Now, not everyone's on the NLP train. Some folks argue there's a lack of scientific evidence backing it up. And they're not entirely wrong. NLP isn't always rooted in hard science. However, many people swear by NLP's transformative powers. They've seen first-hand improvements in communication, confidence, and overcoming personal hurdles. Like many things in life, it may boil down to individual experience. If you're curious, give it a go. At worst, you'll learn more about yourself, and at best, you might just find a powerful tool for personal change. Final thoughts. NLP in the real world. Neuro-linguistic programming might sound like a mouthful, but at its heart, it's all about understanding ourselves better. By digging into how we think, talk, and act, we can hopefully find better ways to move through the world. Whether you're looking to communicate better with your boss, improve your self-talk, or tackle some pesky habits, NLP offers tools to help. While it's not a magic wand, wouldn't that be cool? It's a fascinating framework to explore. And there you have it. A casual journey through the realm of NLP. Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, there's no denying it's an intriguing world. Who knows? Maybe you'll give some of its techniques a whirl. Whatever you choose, happy exploring. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a thumbs up. Thanks for your support.